got that fucking pipe back.
Like us getting blown over.
What's one of them goddamn light plants is all over? This is that shit goes to that pipe, dude. Holy fuck. You're latched on there, you should have sucked into it. Anchored her down. Can you imagine what winter's gonna be like?
Hey, did anybody close the doghouse?
No. No dudes in there. That's fucking rad.
That was like fucking seconds.
This is how they get fucking 50 below. That's gonna be a cold bitch, boy. Hey, did you tie that pipe off? Listen, tie that pipe off. Listen to the fucking rods. Did you tie the pipe
Yeah,
off?
but fucking not.
You didn't chain
not
it?
good enough, no.
Wind, look at that windsock.
Fuck.
That windsock's constantly coming out.
I thought I was going right back up.
Better get up there.
Fuck you.
I think they come out. I can't see them, but I think they did. It sounds like it.
No, you'll fucking know when they come out.
Bam! They'll just go to the dirt.
I mean, they're fucking.
They're not gonna come out of the dirt. I mean,
Huh?
they're not gonna come out, but they'll get.
No, I
goddamn.
mean, I got a knot on them. I just ain't got a fucking thing. But I think I found a pair of waterproof pants.
This is fucking badass. I don't see how people can fucking prefer a desk job compared to
The
this.
fucking doghouse, I was in the doghouse, all of a sudden the motherfucker fell. Fucking front fell. Up and slammed the door and
The front fell off the block?
Oh, shit. You guys keep the door closed at least?
glad I had my hard hat on.
Oh, there's your chain that come loose. You hear it? Come on, baby. Get mad.
Got me some pants.
I'd be more worried about them rods sliding through the fingers up there. Yeah.
Get my,